Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice. So this is a collaboration between myself and a channel called Knives Kitchen. So this collaboration is about apple pie or apple cinnamon cake. So in this video is going to be some clips about how I made my cake, and also I try to connect the video that Knives Kitchen made to see how we made this amazing apple pie or apple cinnamon cake. So this channel has amazing unique recipes. You can visit the channel through my description box down below, and also on the comment section. I'm going to pin my comment there with his channel link, so you can just go there and click through it. Please subscribe. Don't leave the channel without subscribing. So this apple cinnamon cake is a very easy one. As you can see, I showed first my ingredients, and now I'm going to cut the apples and then mix all the ingredients shown together and put the apples on top after that. You can see that we just finished mixing the dough, and we are just going to put it on the pan that we prepared before, and then bake it. After that, you just put the apples on top and brown sugar and just put it in the oven. It's very easy cake, it's not complicated. So the oven is 200 degrees centigrade, and you are going to bake it for 45 minutes. But the thing is that the ovens differ in heat. Check your cake after it's done with a stick in the middle to see if it's cooked or not. So the cake you can serve with coffee or tea, and also you can eat it with ice cream. It's really good. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Today I am making an apple cinnamon cake. I got some nice fresh apples from the store. I'm going to wash them, peel them, and cut them up into small little segments, dice them nicely, put them on the side. I have a 24-centimeter baking tray that I'm going to line with some baking sheet. And I'm going to cut out the bottom just to stencil it out properly with baking paper. Then I am going to prepare my pan by greasing the sides. and adding some flour. Shake it all about, make sure you get everywhere covered with the flour. Then we're going to prepare our batter for the cake. Right, so we've got some melted butter, some sugar. Mix it all together until it's well incorporated with each other. Add some milk, some flour, bicarbonate of soda, ground cinnamon, that you mix it first with your hands with the blender and before you're turning on the blender, otherwise the mixture will go all over. Mix it all together, make sure the batter is ready. There we go. Put it in our baking pan. I'm gonna put the apples on the top. Some brown sugar on the top to give it some caramelized taste on the top. Caramelize the top. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Okay, and here we have the cake. Right, before putting on the powdered sugar, make sure you leave the cake aside for 15 minutes to cool down and then add your powdered sugar on the top. Just going to cut off the edges of the baked paper, and put it in this little nice box as it was a gift for my family. And add some granulated sugar on the top just to give that nice crispy, crunchy flavor whenever you eat it. And there we have it, guys. Simple, easy apple cinnamon cake. If you like my videos, guys, remember to hit the thumbs up